morning mga Katimbo Buds! Welcome sa isa na namang video bus check ngayong araw na to, July 22 here at Wellington, New Zealand. So ito yung Ting 5738. Ito yung bus na gagamitin natin ngayon. So let's engage the school science. Back to school ngayon, back to school. So all good. Check na natin. Alam nyo naman na yung mga i-check lang dito. Mga bagong gasgas lang naman. So, Mon, samahan nyo ako para ma-check natin to. Okay. Na. Okay, let's check this out. Ilang percent ba yung 100%? All good. So, ang gagamitin ng bus ngayon na is number 5738. 5738 with registration plate number NZZ 988. This will expire on January 17, 2025. Yan, all good. 5738. Okay. Check natin kung ano yung mga dapat lang na anuhin. Adjusters. Let's check it. Okay. Mga lumang pan lang naman. Yan. All damage. And fender is missing. And adjusters. Let's check yung width ng gulong kung makapal pa ba. And it's all good. Adjusters are all good. All damage. All damages. Yeah, look at that one. All damages. And also that. Then the fender broken. And that one also. 1, 2, 4, okay. All good. Check na natin yung loob. Check natin kung baka may nawawalang upuan. Yan. Kayo po nalakaupo. Subukan niya naman tumaya. Yan. Okay. All good. All good. Alright, so good. Yan, okay. Mahigpit, so okay. Walang upuan mawawala. Hindi kinuha ni Gloria Macapagal Arroyo yung upuan. Okay, and that's concludes our bus check for today. Paalam!